This lesson is about creating a presentation poster using Microsoft PowerPoint, adding content to your poster. For the contents on our poster, we want to have subtitles to organize our information, text boxes with paragraphs and bulleted lists, design elements to break up our information, making it easier to read. Most of this can be done using text boxes and color blocks. Select the Insert tab. Click the Text Box button. Select the location for the first subtitle and drag the mouse to the right to create a text box. Because we want space between our subtitles, we didn't expand the text box all the way to the guide we created in the previous video. Click the Center Text button. Select the Subtitle text box and type Introduction. Select the Introduction text. Click the Bold button. Right-click the Subtitle text box to see the editing shortcuts. Select the Fill drop-down menu. When you use a color on your poster, you will see it is listed in the Recent Colors area. This will help you find that same color each time you want to use it on your poster. Select the UW Superior Yellow color. Now that we have the subtitle text boxes the way we want them, we can copy and paste as many as we need, then change the text to fit the section. This will make sure that all of our subtitle text boxes are the same size. It is recommended that you create your longest subtitle first because that will indicate the size of both the font and the text box. For example, if your sections were Introduction, Method, Results, and Discussion and Conclusion, Discussion and Conclusion should be the one you start with. Select the Introduction subtitle text box. Select the Copy button, or press Ctrl-C. Select the Paste button, or press Ctrl-V. Select the Duplicate Introduction subtitle text box, and drag it down to where the next section should be. Select the Introduction text and replace it with Method. We are going to keep pasting duplicate subtitle text boxes until we have enough for all the sections on our poster. Select the Paste button or press Ctrl-V. Select the duplicate Introduction subtitle text box and drag it to the right to where the next section should be. Select the Introduction text and replace it with Results. Select the Paste button or press Ctrl-V. Select the duplicate Introduction subtitle text box and drag it to the right to where the next section should be. Select the Introduction text and replace it with Conclusion. Select the Paste button or press Ctrl-V. Select the duplicate Introduction subtitle text box and drag it to the right to where the next section should be. Select the Introduction text and replace it with Acknowledgement. Note, while we were moving the text boxes into place, PowerPoint would show dotted lines when our placement would line up with the other items on our poster. This makes it easier to create professional-looking posters. The subtitle font size is very large. We will need to reduce the size to make sure everything fits on our poster. Hold the Shift key down on your keyboard and select all of the subtitle text boxes. Select the Font Size drop-down menu. Because our subtitle lengths are smaller, we can start at the larger title size and gradually decrease the size if we need to. Select the 44 menu item. Next, we are going to insert text from our paper directly onto our poster. Open the duplicate file for your paper, the one that you highlighted the key points on. Select the first paragraph of text you want to include on your poster. Click the Copy button. Select the Word Minimize button. Select the Insert tab. Click the Text Box button. Select the location for the first paragraph of text and drag the mouse to the right to create a text box. Right-click the blank text box. Select the Use Destination Theme Paste option menu item. Select the Font Size drop-down menu. If your paragraph is lengthy, you should start at the smaller text size and gradually increase the size until it fits the text box area. For this lesson, we've selected a larger font size because this is a smaller paragraph. Select the 28 menu item. Select the View tab to zoom in to see the text better. Select the Zoom button. Select the 50% radio button. Click the OK button. Place your cursor just before the text that should be in the first bullet point. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to create a space in the text. Select the Home tab. Select the Bulleted List button. Place your cursor just before the text that should be in the next bullet point. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to create the second bullet point. Place your cursor just before the text that should be in the next bullet point. Press the Enter key on your keyboard to create the third bullet point. Select the View tab. Click the Fit to Window button. Select the Home tab. Select the paragraph text box so the outline is a solid line. Click the Increase Font Size button until the text fits the space better. Note, if you have another paragraph of text to add to this section, don't increase the font size until it has been added. Repeat these steps for all the text from your paper. If you don't have results or data at the time you start creating your poster, make placeholders for that information and add it to your poster later. This is the end of the adding content to your poster video. Please watch the adding smart art to your poster video next.